Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. If you are preparing for UGC NET, JRF, Assistant Professor, TGT or PGT, this series will strengthen your conceptual clarity, elimination skills, and exam temperament. So, before we begin, like this video to support quality academic content. Share it with your fellow aspirants. And subscribe to the channel for daily high-level MCQs, theory traps, and full syllabus coverage. Tarankan. Let's begin today's questions and move one step closer to cracking UGC NET. All the best, and let the thinking begin. First question. Bharat's formulation of rasa is fundamentally dependent upon A. The poet's personal emotion, B. The spectator's psychological state, C. The interaction of bhavas on stage, D. The moral message of the text. Right answer is option C. The interaction of bhavas on stage. Next question. In Abhinavagupta's theory, rasa is not A. Subjective emotion, B. Aesthetic relish, C. Universalized experience, D. Transpersonal delight. Right answer is option A. Subjective emotion. Next question. Which of the following best differentiates bhava from rasa? A. Bhava is individual, rasa is universal, B. Bhava is permanent, rasa is transitory, C. Bhava is suggested, rasa is literal, D. Bhava is poetic, rasa is dramatic. Right answer is option A. Bhava is individual, rasa is universal. Next question. The addition of Shanta rasa creates a theoretical tension because A. It lacks sthai bhava, B. It is incompatible with drama, C. It negates emotional excitation, D. It rejects dhvani. Right answer is option B. It is incompatible with drama. Next question. Anandvardhana's dhvani theory is radical because it A. Rejects rasa entirely, B. Subordinates meaning to ornament, C. Privileges suggestion over denotation, D. Eliminates authorial intention. Right answer is option C. Privileges suggestion over denotation. Next question. Which is the most problematic category in dhvani classification? A. Vastudhvani, B. Alankaradhvani, C. Rasadhvani, D. Chitradhvani. Right answer is option D. Chitradhvani. Next question. Mamata's definition of poetry attempts to reconcile A. Rasa and Alankara schools, B. Dhvani and Vakrokti theories, C. Word and meaning as equal components, D. Ethics and aesthetics. Right answer is option C. Word and meaning as equal components. Next question. Kuntaka's Vakrokti differs from Alankara because Vakrokti A. rejects figures of speech, B. focuses on deviation at all linguistic levels, C. is limited to metaphor only, D. is opposed to suggestion. Right answer is option B. focuses on deviation at all linguistic levels. Next question. Vakrokti theory anticipates which modern critical idea most closely? A. Formalism, B. Stylistics, C. Deconstruction, D. Psychoanalysis. Right answer is option B. Stylistics. Next question. Vamana's emphasis on riti is vulnerable because A. It ignores meaning entirely, B. It reduces poetry to style alone, C. It rejects emotional experience, D. It denies poetic imagination. Right answer is option B. It reduces poetry to style alone. Next question. Oitya functions in Indian aesthetics primarily as A. A moral principle, B. A stylistic ornament, C. A regulating aesthetic norm, D. A linguistic device. Right answer is option C. A regulating aesthetic norm. Next question. Kshemendri's Oitya is closest to which Western concept? A. Catharsis, B. Decorum, C. Sublime, D. Mimesis. Right answer is option B. Decorum. Next question. Sadharanikarana enables rasa experience by A. Intensifying personal emotion, B. Suppressing emotional response, C. Removing individuality of emotion, D. Moralizing emotional experience. Right answer is option C. Removing individuality of emotion. Next question. The Saradai is distinct because he A. creates poetry, B. judges poetry ethically, C. relishes rasa without ego, D. interprets literal meaning. Right answer is option C. relishes rasa without ego. Next question. Which bhava poses the greatest theoretical problem for rasa theory? A. Sthai bhava, B. Vyabhichari bhava, C. Satvika bhava, D. Anubhava. Right answer is option C. Satvika bhava. Next question. The function of anubhava is best described as a cause of emotion, B. resulting external expression, C. permanent emotional state, D. suggested meaning. Right answer is option B. resulting external expression. Next question. Which rasa is most dependent on imaginative distance? A. Raudra, B. Karuna, C. Bibhatsa, D. Shringara. Right answer is option C. Bibhatsa. Next question. Indian aesthetics differs from Aristotelian theory primarily because it A. rejects emotion, B. privileges audience experience, C. denies structure, D. ignores representation. Right answer is option B. privileges audience experience. Next question. Rasa experience is described as alaukika because it A. is supernatural, B. rejects reality, C. transcends worldly emotion, D. is purely mystical. Right answer is option C. transcends worldly emotion. Next question. The dominance of rasadhvani implies that A. plot is central, B. language is ornamental, C. emotional suggestion governs meaning, D. moral teaching is essential. Right answer is option C. emotional suggestion governs meaning. Next question. In Indian poetics, poetry fails aesthetically when A. meaning is complex, B. rasa is obstructed, C. language is figurative, D. style dominates content. Right answer is option B. rasa is obstructed. Next question. Which theorist explicitly subordinates Alankara to rasa? A. Bhama, B. Dandin, C. Anandavardhana, D. Vamana. Right answer is option C. Anandvardhana. Next question. Which concept ensures harmony between content, character, and expression? A. Dhvani, B. Vakrokti, C. Oitya, D. Riti. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.